there's a never-ending list of services your properties need, which means you need a lot of service providers. So you do what you've always done. You cold call an outdated list or look for whomever is available with a quick web search, not knowing if they have the equipment your properties need, or the experience to handle your unique site, or the quality of service your property deserves. But while you're in the office, they're in the field, leading to a never-ending game of phone tag that eats away at your time and leaves you vulnerable to the first person who says yes, even if it's not the price you wanted or the exact service you'd hoped for. There's a better way, the Procursys way. Procursys is an application that allows you to seamlessly issue hundreds of RFPs to thousands of vetted commercial service providers in minutes with an all-in-one procurement technology and nationwide marketplace. No matter your maintenance need, Procursys has you covered. No more messy and time-consuming spreadsheets. Procursys takes your data and effortlessly reads and absorbs it into the system. Each template and document is fully customizable, allowing you the comfort of using your language and terminology. When you're ready to send an RFP, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. With Procursys, you can see which pre-vetted vendors service your area and which services they provide. Find the right vendor by size, travel distance to your sites, equipment specs, or any metric for your specific site needs. You choose which ones and how many to invite. It's as simple as clicking a button, and it's sent. And no more phone tag. You and the vendors are connected in real time, so you can reach them where they are. As RFP responses multiply, you can easily negotiate pricing, send and receive documents, and answer questions all through the platform and at your convenience. Once you have all the information you need, compare each of your bids. The Procursys real-time messaging capabilities saves you days of back and forth. So you can click award and let the services commence. Join Procursys and supercharge your procurement process. Qualified vendors, more data, better pricing, a speedier process, and no more phone tag. It's a better way. It's the Procursys way. Reach out today to learn more.